Welcome back. I got some really big news, but it comes in a small box. In this video, I'll go over all the details and specs that will help you prepare for the arrival of this amazing all-in-one portable power station from Bluetti. Welcome to the Adventure Tech channel. We focus on cost-effective, high-quality solutions to a more comfortable and affordable lifestyle using the most advanced and current technologies available, including solar power, portable power generators, electric vehicles, and more. Technology is moving really quickly these days, so it's easy to be left behind. I'm going to help make things easy for you. I'll do the research so you don't have to. But why should you trust me? Well, I spent over 10 years traveling around the United States as an industrial and environmental inspector using advanced technology like ultrasound and electromagnets to literally see through and inspect machinery. As an inspector, I've experienced with nearly every component you'll find in these places. I've spent time hundreds of feet high, hanging off of towers, taking thickness readings, crawling through 8-inch wide manways into dryer cans that make paper, and even spent time inside tanks that hold the most dangerous chemicals known to man, requiring full oxygen even near the entrance to these tanks. Plus, I've driven days straight across the country and know all about what works and what doesn't on the road and in off-grid situations. Now I'm happy to share what I've learned and my experiences with you. Portable power station is upgraded in every way possible. It's lighter, quieter, more powerful, and can charge a lot faster. And it's smaller. Everything is better. It can output at 2400 watts, which can help you not only run high wattage devices, but also be able to keep everything else running at the same time. Some high output devices are cutting off at around 1800 watts, which lets you run some of the big stuff. Often, it's going to max out your device and you have to unplug everything else. Now, with a 2400 watt output, you can run everything including the 1500 watt device. This is a time saver and huge on convenience. The energy storage is a little bit over 2 kilowatt hours, which is a really nice chunk of storage. If you do use any of the links in the description and comments, it does help keep food in my fridge, so it's always appreciated sincerely. Not only do you get 2 kilowatt hours just with the AC200L, but also it can be upgraded to a total of 8 kilowatt hours, which is a pretty good amount of power to work with. Most individuals could get away with this comfortably on a daily basis. During an outage, it would power more than just the essentials. With lithium iron phosphate batteries, you get over 3,000 recharge cycles on this portable power station, keeping efficiency over 80% the entire lifetime. Also, a huge question I keep getting asked over and over again is, does this work with older models? And the answer is yes. This power station is compatible with the B210, B230, and the B3 300 expansion batteries. You can get up to 8 kilowatts using these batteries. One thing I will note about Bluetti also is that I haven't heard too much bad about Bluetti software and apps having issues. Some of their competitors I can't say the same for. I've been getting a lot of complaints about firmware and such being a huge concern for a lot of you out there. So I'm keeping an eye on that for you. So that's the brief but exciting introduction, so follow the link in the description and the comments to get right over to Bluetti and check it out for yourself. If you're waiting to buy, now is a good time to make your patience pay off big time. I'm always working hard to help save you money, and if you use the links, it does help support my channel and keep food in my fridge. So again, I want to thank you sincerely for that. It really does mean a lot. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. I'll be keeping up to date on all the good new stuff, and I'm connected with many of these brands, so please click the subscribe button and subscribe for free. Click the bell button to make sure that when I make a video, you can find it easy and get the good news before you spend the money on something you regret.